Hey folks, welcome to my channel number 10. So there we have the problem on our screen. Integrate the following with respect to x. We have 1 divided by 1 plus 36x square. So what we have been given is dy by dx and we've been asked to find y. So let's write down what is our dy by dx and our y. And my y is written using the integral symbol, and I know that my y is integral of dx divided by 1 plus 36x square. And now I know that I will have to figure out if my y can be reduced to a much simpler expression whose antiderivative I'm familiar with from first principles, what I'd learned in differential calculus, right? And when we have dx by 1 plus 36x square, all that I will have to do is rewrite this as dx plus 1 plus 6x the whole square, right? Now, what is that substitution that I can make to reduce y to a simpler expression? T equals 6x, right? Which means my dt equals 6 times dx, dx equals dt by 6, right? So therefore, I have my dx in terms of dt. I go back to my y and I write my expression y using the integral symbol, but this time I write it with respect to t, right? So 1 by 6 I pull out and I have dt by 1 plus t square, right? Now this is something which I'm quite familiar with. And why is that? Because I know that my d by dx of tan inverse of x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. And therefore, my tan inverse of x plus c, where c is an arbitrary constant, is the antiderivative for dx by 1 plus x square, right? And in place of x, we have t here. Therefore, I know that this is quite simple. I go to the next line. I write my final answer, but this will be in terms of t 1 by 6 times tan inverse of plus c, right? And I can write my t in terms of x, right? I'm sorry, I made a small error here. This was 6x. So when I write my final answer, I have 1 by 6 times tan inverse of 6x plus c, right? So there we are. Let me highlight my final answer in pink. So there we are. I hope you found this content useful. Please do subscribe to my channel and support.